guys, what's up? Shadow here, and welcome back to another episode of Space Engineers. Alright, today we're moving this connector to a more advantageous position. Well, that's one of the things we're gonna do, I'm sure. Okay, that's a problem. Oops. We'll deal with that in due time. Shit. How much is that? 13k. Okay, that is acceptable. Could be worse.
Inventory full.
Probably also put some into here. Yes.
Inventory full.
Oh god. Yeah, maybe I should have checked that. Good thing we didn't have any gravity generators around. Otherwise that would have probably wrecked the whole pipe there. Pretty much by just forcing that rock down on it. Yeah, you live and learn, right? There you go. Okay, let's just tear this whole thing. Cut it back. Let me see. Yeah, okay, this is now. Oh yeah, it draws the components away anyway, so that's good. Okay, so we're gonna cut it back until here, and then there. Grab this. We'll go corner, corner, curved, and then it's gonna go down. There, we'll have to dig down. Oh, interesting. Okay. So I didn't dig like straight at all, didn't I? Well, kinda. So let's do this from two sides. So we want to let it come out like over here-ish, I think. No, wait. No, over here. That's right. Somewhere like here. Just about. Let's drill a little bit in. Yeah, that looks fine. Oh! Wait, no, that's... No, I just wanted to say, oh, I'd already got the hole correct. No, I didn't. Also, we're drifting a little bit to the left, it feels like, so let's just continue like so. Yeah, kind of like that. Let's... Well, it's probably not lining up at all, isn't it? Or maybe it is. Oh, it is! Wow, okay. I didn't expect that to line up that good. Because normally when you're drilling inside an asteroid, you tend to get drifting, you know, to the left and right. Just because it's kind of difficult to maintain like a heading, if that makes sense. So this will go down. Then what I will do, I'll do like an additional thing. So this will go down like this to this level. Then here I'm gonna do a conveyor block so that we can essentially attach this to the rock. You know what I mean? The rock. So that it's a bit more stable should something break off at any point. You know what I mean? There we go, and then we can get this out of here. And we'll just continue to get this to over here. Something like that. Then I'm also gonna have a conveyor block here because I kind of want to do like some protective layering around this stuff. And then there's gonna be a connector right here-ish, but first we have to get some material. Oh, that's the wrong container. There we go. Get some of that. Put that on top. Okay. Now, since we are basically welding the same block over and over again, I want to... Let's just take all of these with us, and then we'll also just, you know, just start making some of these additional blocks here. So that we can, you know, get a bit of backup for all these things that we'll need here. Okay. Already all plates made. Back in here. More plates, and we'll also make a few more things. Go. We were somewhere in here, yes? Yes, there we are. Okay. Then upwards. Up and atom. There you go. Excellent. Let's go with these next, but we'll probably need a lot more of those. Yeah, we'll need a ton more. Can already tell. Jesus Christ. Okay, yeah. And we're already through with them. Let's just add more then. More. Give me more, give me more, give me more. How is our power doing? Ooh, right now we are actually gaining power. That is impressive. Okay, very good. Need a whole bunch more of these. We don't even have a full, like, inventory. I'll wait real quick so we get a full inventory. Or rather, I can take some motors with me and then we can start, you know, welding other components. Why not, right? Just try to not miss anything. And we're a few short, but not too bad. Take 100 of these, a bit more motors, and then we're going from this direction now. That one completed. Excellent. So yeah, now we're just missing tubes. And we'll need a gazillion of those as well. Make some more tubes then. That's not gonna be enough. Okay.
Energy low.
Oh, we're also... There's one motor missing. Well, 6 motor. One pipe has its motors missing. There we go. That's what I wanted to say. And then not that many tubes. Okay, cool. Let me just recharge real quick. And yeah, after that we'll also just go add a little bit of armor, so to speak, to the conveyor that sticks out, just so we have a little bit of protection. And I might just, you know, put some lights here and there. And we'll see. Okie dokie. So we need 6 more motors, as it were, and we have 8. Wow, that's calculated, I think. Let's make a few more motors then. We'll also need like 100 tubes should be enough, I think. 110. Get some panels. Let's see. Oh god, I'm stuck. Okay. Cannot get in from here to where we need to be. There it is. And this should turn green. Yes, it does. But here it's not green yet. Okay. Oh, yeah, because the motor. Yeah. Okay. So see, now what we're going to do is we're going to anchor this to the meteor, or to the asteroid right here. Then we'll also have to run this one. We need a few more computers for that. So what I'm thinking here is that we'll... use something like this. Armor panels. Either like that, or we use actual armor panels. The thing is, if we want to use armor panels, like the, where are they? These ones? That would make it look a little bit more slick, I think. However, then we'll need to kind of, we'll need to armor this up as well, like right here, so they have some point to attach to. I think that's a good idea. And then we can like intersperse this with windows potentially. You know, like going 1, 2, 3, window, 1, 2, 3, window, 1, 2, 3, window. Something like that, yes? Let's actually do that. So we need a 1x1 window. So to place this, we need some girders. So let's get some of those. We do not have any girders at this point. Let's make 1,000 girders. Why not? Let's just make some. There we go. We can place some windows down. Okay. So I think we're gonna place them like this and not like that. Like the darker side. So that they look a little bit tinted in a way. You know what I mean? Three. 1, 2, 3. And then from here on out, it's all the way armored all the way. Right? Let's replicate this all around. 3. And we have to rotate that. Window. 1, 2, 3. Window. 1, 3. Window. There we go. Oh! I think I placed one of these bad boys somewhere where I shouldn't. I cannot quite tell where I landed. We'll see. Right, 1, 2, 3. No. Window. Another window. And let's just go with 2. It doesn't matter if it's not armored all the way. That's fine. I think. Go. And on the top, essentially the same thing. 2. Yeah, that's fine. I mean, maybe we'll place some of them. Oh, yeah, look, there it is. The one that I misplaced. Yeah, that's fine. We'll just keep it like that. Okay, let's start welding. Add these windows to the build planner. Another one. Okay, come on. There you go. Sometimes it's really difficult to weld these if you don't have like frontal view of them. Very hard to actually aim at them. Okay, that is a window. That's a window. That is one. We'll definitely need more plates too. Yep, there we go. Let's just add 2 more windows. Actually, let's add all the windows to the build planner, shall we? Oh, we have reached our build planner limit a while ago, actually. Oh well. We'll probably need to make some glass as well. And the computers right there. Excellent. And like that. At least all the armor up. We could almost leave it like that. That kind of works too, but I'm not a big fan of just leaving unwelded blocks for some reason. I would be fine if blocks like that would be available as actual blocks. You know what I mean? Because something in me just kind of resists leaving them unwelded. Even though it kind of looks like scaffolding, which is nice. But I think it would be better to actually have scaffolding in the game as a block, rather than just have it unwelded. Okay, we need a ton more windows, I see. See if that's enough. Probably not, but we'll check. Okay, that's good. Alright, we need a few more. Let's, we'll probably have to make a few more as well. Okay. Let's make 200 more. Let's grab them, at least 50 of them we want to grab. There you go. That's that. That was our 50. Right. I think that's it. No, there's one to go. Okay, cool. So like that, we also have a good visual confirmation if our connection to the base is still established. That's cool. Let's put this back for now. Let's grab this and this. And I kind of want to put a light here. Ooh, I have an idea. I'm not quite sure if it's possible. Let me check real quick. I have to check on the event controller, because again, I'm not 100% like adjusted or familiar with this thing. So we have, what do we have? We have altitude, angle change, block added and remove, block integrity, block on off switch, connector connected. Okay, so yes. Okay. So you know what this is gonna be, right? We're gonna make a docking indicator. So I'm just thinking it would be better if you could have a color change, but that's not possible, unfortunately. So we're gonna make this a bit different, I think. You know what? We're gonna make it like this, because that should work as well. We're gonna make 2 panels like so. And we need some interior plates. Let's get that. Yes. Go. We're gonna slap on some interior plates like so, and then let's see. So we have the light panels. So we're gonna call these dock. Yeah, dock is fine actually. Dock, light, occupied, and dock light free. Right? And now what we're gonna do, so the dock light free is obviously green. We'll increase the radius a bit to maybe 8 meters. It's probably enough. We'll have a bit of an offset, and we'll have a lot of intensity. And we'll do the same over here. We'll have 8 radius, a lot of intensity, and a lot of offset. And then this one is going to be red, obviously, right? We have these two. And now we need a event controller. So this time we're going to ace this, right? Let's see where we slap this. I think we'll slap this right here. That makes sense to me. Boop! Let me recharge real quick. I need to work so much more with event controllers. It feels like, because it just gives you so many opportunities to do easily achievable cool things. You know, that just feel right. So let me just see if we have all the components. Apparently we don't. Computers and displays. Yeah, we let's make a few more computers and displays, shall we? Because we need more of those. Also, let me remove... Oh, everything else is already removed from the thingy. That's fine. Why can I not withdraw? There we go. Okay. There it is. So, now, this one is going to be connector connected. Now we obviously need to know which connector this is, so we're going to name it properly. So this is connector This is not block, dock connector, right? And now we're gonna go back to here. Well, we could have done it from there, but you know. So, oh, it only shows connectors in this context. That's nice. So we'll add this and then select action. So when it's connected, I think this is connect and disconnect, right? Okay, we'll have to check something. So we have our dock. There we go. We have our lights, free and occupied, right? Let's turn off the occupied because right now it's free. That's the state it is. And then let's group these together as a group here. Dock lights, right? And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna just toggle the dock lights on both actions. Right? Does that work? Let's see. Okay, it only goes... Let's see. Event controller connected. So if we connect it, it toggles them. It should... Oh, okay, okay. So I think we can make this as a workaround. Hold on, I have an idea. So where are my two? There we go. There's some. So dock lights off. It's gonna be a bit of a workaround. You see why? So I cannot have like the same action in both things. So now I'm gonna just use the action of the second group as an, you know what I mean? So this should technically work now. Let's check. So let's hop into our ship. There we go. Whoop. No, not the camera. Undock ourselves from here. Oh, the dock is behind us. Okay. Let's also... Yeah, okay, we have fine navigation activated. Great. So right now, technically, only the... okay, I see a problem, I think. We'll have to check if it's true, but... Now, if I just... I'll try to go onto this bad boy. Should I have connection? No? There, we have connection. I think it worked. I think it worked. The problem is the panels are very much always colored, and unless you're in darkness, you don't see the difference. So we might need to do it without panels. But if I... See? Green again? Red. Green. You can see it at as the shading on the bottom of my ship. Now it's like slightly red in the middle there, where the... There, you can actually see the red glow. And if I unlock, it's green. So technically this works. However, the problem is, again, the... You know what? I'm gonna connect. Let's just connect. It's fine. We'll be connected for now. Boom. There you go. So, we might have to do it with other lights. Because, yeah, the problem is even turned off lights have the color that they're supposed to have. That makes sense. But here, that's pretty bad. How do we solve this? Let's see, what other light types do we have? We have... I mean, we have these. They're a little bit less fancy, I suppose. We have corner lights. We have rotating lights. Rotating lights would be interesting, I suppose. Although, not quite what I want. That's something I really don't like, that they have the color even if they're turned off, because it looks like they're you know, they're on. Ugh. Okay. Let me just remove those then. Okay. So can we? That's the question. I'm just trying to figure out what the best option is here. So if I have to, like, get 2 lights to connect, I probably would have to put a block here and then have... Oh, I don't know. Let me get a few materials and check. There we go. That should hopefully do it. So I think the way I would have to do it is I would have to have a block and then maybe something like that. 2 lights on that. Because yeah, these would also be colored, but at least they wouldn't be like that crazily red and green. Let's see. So interior lights should be these 2. Let's call these dock light 3 and dock light occupied. Both gonna have a radius of about 10. Yeah, let's give them 10. Why not? They're a bit farther away anyways. Intensity of 10 as well. And then 3 is gonna be green. The other one is gonna be red. That red, not blue. I mean, they're still like... it's still not quite perfect, I do have to say. But it might be better. Let's just turn one of these off. So right now the free one would be off, right? Let's see if we can replicate that real quick. There. Dock light free. Let's turn this one off. It's still not perfect. I still don't like the fact that it is. That is so annoying. Why is it like that? But yeah, okay. And then what we also could do, even though I'm not planning to add any more docks right now, we could have in the middle, we could have the number. Which would be cool if you had like several docks at this point, but we don't. But still, you know. The right one, red, is this is occupied, right? So now we just have to set up the event controller again, obviously, which we'll do in the same manner as we did before. So we'll go to our lights, then we'll make this dock lights dock, call it that, and then we'll do dock lights undock. There. Then we'll do that from here. Event controller. So the actions are gonna be if we dock, it's gonna be toggle, and if we undock, it's gonna be toggle, like that. And now let's check real quick if that works and if it looks passable. Yeah, you still cannot really tell, but you know. Right. Yeah, that works. Sure. And I'm pretty sure I cannot do anything to make this better, right? No, not really. I mean, we can make the radius bigger, but that doesn't really do much, honestly. So we'll set it back to 10, that's fine. We could make them blink, but I don't think that gives us any benefit. Okay, but I like that. Again, event controllers, probably my new favorite block. I have the feeling now every episode I'm gonna do something with an event controller. Okay, but that's nice. That's nice. We did a little docking station. It's kind of hard to get a good, like, angle on this. But yeah. So this is out of the way, which means now we are... Are we free to extend this? Because I have the feeling if we extend this, we're gonna run into trouble here. Aren't we? Well, let's just check this, shall we? If we get the color again, the right one, this one. Yeah. No, wait, actually. So it's from this block here, right? So from this block calculator, we're gonna go down how many blocks? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 8 blocks down from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, that should just scrape by. Shall we just like put one of these on for now and see if it, you know, destroys itself? Or because I have the feeling it might, but I'm not sure. It just might, but yeah, it would be cool if we could just add more like that, because then we easily would get a huge amount of power, and we could probably extend our operation here quite a lot, you know, with maybe a refinery more, and then just actually modules first. We should probably put modules on everything first, right? There you go. So let's just run with one test panel here and see if the sun comes up on the other side, how it's gonna react, if it's gonna scrape over this thing or not. Because I think, where's the sun now? So I think it's gonna go like this and then come up here again. So it will do a turn, which will probably bypass here. I mean, we could just like put all the solar panels on, because I think the solar panels would break before this thing does. Because the HP of a block is like determined by the materials used, and I'm pretty sure metal grids add a ton of HP, because they're also in heavy armor blocks, I think. Yeah. Okay, we'll see. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time, and take care.